Hey Chad, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. So I wanted to shoot a short video for you going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start outranking your competitors online for your drywall business. And so by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content. And so I know that you said that you recently got a new website here, so we're going to start with your website. So content is everything that you can visually read on your site, as well as every single photo. The reason that it includes photos is because Google can see what they were saved as before they were uploaded. And Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, as well as to see as what keywords are on your site. They want to know who you are, what your business is about, the services and the areas that you provide service to. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage here to be considered an authority with Google. And then you do want those keywords embedded throughout. And here's one example. Drywall Contractors Tulsa OK. Whenever your future customers are typing this in, the first thing that's populating are ads here. So ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly, but for now we're going to scroll right past them. And then we come across what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here, and it's vital to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40% of business. The way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. With a quick search here, I see that you do have one, so the next step would be to optimize this. The way that you optimize it, you want to make sure that you're being consistent with 5-star reviews here. And then you want to have this be completely filled out with as much information as possible, as accurate as possible, and you want to have citations, and that's the most time-consuming part of this, but all that is your business name, the address, and the phone number, exactly as on your profile here in your local directories. So that could be Facebook, that could be Yelp, and you want more citations than these competitors here so that you can outrank them and then get that business for yourself. And if we scroll down here, this is what's called the organic listing. The remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And then if we scroll down, you are ranking. So it's great that you're on this first page here because over 90% of people stay on the first page. It's important to be as high up as possible though, because the higher up you are, the more business you'll get for yourself. And you want to be ranking for every single keyword that applies to you. And something that we can do is we can take a look at the back end of your website here. I have it plugged into a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see the authority and the trustworthiness of your website. So DR and UR, you have 7 and 7 for that authority and trust. What makes up those ratings are the 342 backlinks that you have. And these backlinks are coming from 40 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another, kind of like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these ratings, as well as spammy ones that will bring them down. So you do want to be intentional there. And this is important because you want your ratings higher than your competitors so that you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result there, and getting more of that traffic for yourself, which would in turn lead to more of clients and customers. And so something that goes hand in hand with the ratings are keywords. So you have 57 keywords on your site. I recommend what's called buyer intent. And you want to rank for each of those keywords, specifically the buyer intent ones, because they are higher quality and will bring you higher quality leads to begin with. And you have 58 traffic going to your website as of now. We can do the exact same thing with all of your competitors. The Patch Boys was one of the top competitors for you, And so we can take a look. They have 35, 4.1. And so coming from 5 backlinks, 3 referring domains, they have 73 keywords on this page and 93 traffic to that Tulsa location page there. So what we'd want to do for you is we'd want to boost up your numbers, your ratings higher than each of your competitors. We can take a look at every single backlink that they have and link those high quality ones to your website, because if it is working for them to rank, it would also work for you to rank. And we can also do extensive search for keywords, find out what's those high quality keywords are, make sure that you are ranking for them as well, higher than your competitors, so that you are getting more eyes on your site. So here are some examples. Drywall Repair Tulsa, 100 people are searching every single month. Drywall Tulsa, 40. Drywall Repair Specialists Tulsa, 80, 30, 20, 30. And we can see that this list just keeps going here. So we want to see which ones apply to you, make sure they are on your website, and that you are ranking for them. And then that way you can get more eyes on your site, turning into more customers for yourself. And I hope that this short video was valuable for you. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.